This time I will show you how to to boost your Twitter. A ways for you to have a lot of followers. You just simply type here a word that you want to find, like for example this, and it will generate names or accounts in Twitter like this, and you will check if this has a lot of followers. Like this 1,000 is a lot, it's got a lot of followers already, so you want to follow this person because she's got a lot of followers. When he will accept that, when you followed her, and she will follow you back most of the time. And so this followers 118, so you will not follow that. You will pick a right person that has a lot of followers already to start with, to begin with, like this. So it's got a lot, so you will follow that. And now do that 20 times a day. It will boost your followers, like I did 20 times a day. Before it was 15, and now it's 75 followers now. And that would be my strategy and how I will get this followers, 75 followers within 3 days, and I'm expecting a lot more to come back for more days.